Okay, so here's something different. Instead of reporting on motorbikes and bits and bobs, I've come to a fireworks display in Porthcawl with the gang. So, first time for a while. And here's Endicott. Oh, you my lovely boy, you like that?
I know, Brad.
Here we are with Endicott. Little Ellie.
She is. Oh, she is. She had her hair done. She had her hair done.
So, the first ride of the evening is going to be this one. Who's Candace now?
I thought you said the waltzers.
Don't be a spoil sport now.
I'll go on the waltzers.
On a scale of 1 to 10?
Yeah, what do you say? Scale of 1 to 10? 7. 7.
7?
Yeah.
Not as good as being on a motorbike, eh?
No. Well, is this where the fireworks are going on? Oh, right. Is this somewhere we got to get a good spot? Like that? Alright.
Cody's now got a sparkler. He thinks he got a lightsaber.
Hey!
Bit wild with it. He's a wild kid.
This is my name.
I'm waving at the girls.
No. I do King Land now.
We're going to make KTM or what? So we're waiting for the fireworks to start.
What are we gonna ride?
The kids now are playing with sparklers.